Hi guys, and welcome to this course. I'm Ali, I'm a Java EE technical leader. I've been working since 10 years in software development, which allowed me to learn different technologies such as Spring Framework, Hibernate, microservices, SQL, Angular technology, and so on and so forth. During my experience, I helped different companies to improve their software quality and architecture. I'm really passionate by the software development and learning new technology and tools, and that encouraged me to share my experience and knowledge with the others. In this course, we will talk about and learn testing using the BDD approach. It's the behavior-driven development using the Cucumber framework and the Gherkin language or syntax. During the different sections and lecture of this course, I will explain to you deeply the Cucumber framework, teaching you the Gherkin syntax and how to write the feature files, which are understandable by developers and business teams. After that, we will see the practical part. We will create our feature files and implement them using the Java and the TDD approach. Finally, we will test and launch our simple application using the Java and GUnit. So, stay up guys and get ready.